All right, foam rolling the hamstrings. You are going to start with that roller right underneath one leg. The other leg is going to be planted flat down on the floor, and those hands are going to prop right back behind you. Now from here, using your hands and that foot that's planted, you're going to lift those hips, and you're going to go ahead and start to roll yourself, okay, focusing that roller at the top of the knee all the way up to that sit bone area. Going up and down, slow and controlled, and checking in to see how everything's feeling. You're also going to want to go ahead and point those toes out, and that whole leg will follow, and you'll feel that pressure move more towards that IT band. So it might be a little extra sensitive. And you'll do the exact same thing as you roll the whole leg in, point the toes in, and you'll feel that pressure move closer towards those inner thighs. Okay, and you're just going to go ahead, making sure you hit all 3 points, trying to relax that leg as much as you can, the one that you're rolling. And of course, you can take little breaks to shake out the wrists and shoulders, especially if you haven't done a ton of this before. Don't be surprised if those areas get a little tired and sore.